Hey, what's going on, guys? So I got an unboxing for you guys today. I picked up a little security camera off Amazon. I think I paid like $22 for this. I used to have one. When I went on my little excursion, I got rid of it, so I decided to pick up one, especially now that I'm looking at buying another place. So this is called Cloarks. I've seen people pronounce it Clark, but that's not Clark. But anyway, let's check out some of the features of this. So it's full HD camera. It has motion detector. Multiple people can use it. Infrared vision at night, wireless network, two-way audio system, cloud service. Obviously, they want you to pay for the cloud service. They do offer a free version as well, and it does take a memory card. And the last feature is the pan, tilt, rotation. So this is supposed to be able to go 360 and with motion detector follow whatever subject around. It supposedly has AI analysis. So it should be able to recognize people, pets, cars, and packages. Okay, so let's get this unboxed and see what all comes in the box. All right. So the first thing we're greeted with here is this package. This is probably the cord. And then there's nothing else here in the box. Okay, so here's the camera itself and some paperwork. Let's put that away. Let's see what you get with a QR code. That might be for the app. You get an instruction manual. If I need it, I'll refer back to it, but most of the time I don't. So let's start with this box first. All right, so yeah, like I thought. So you get a USB-A to Type-C. Looks like you get a mounting bracket here. I guess you can mount this on the wall or some surface or whatnot, but this is the mounting bracket for the bottom. And we get, they give you the head too. So you get the charging brick as well as the cord. That works out. And I think this cord is like 39 inches long from what I was reading. So yeah, it's over 3 feet. I don't know if it's gonna be long enough for where I wanna put this, but we shall see. All right, so let's move now to the camera itself. So here's what it looks like. So pan, tilt, follow, infrared, auto detect, and you get a memory card that you can put in right here, so you don't have to use the service. You just want to record what happens during the day. So I would probably put something like a 512 or a terabyte in there if I were to do that, but I doubt it, especially like right now, because I really have no one coming over but the people who do service here. All right, so let's go ahead and move this plastic out of the way. Now there is a QR code that you can download the app, because you will need the app. I've already downloaded it on my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to plug this in and set this thing up and see if I can walk you guys through it real quick. But this little camera was only about $22. Well, then they charged me a little bit of an import fee. So I think I paid maybe $30 total for this. But if you're in the States, you can pretty much get this for $21 or $22. I think there was a coupon with this as well, but I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this cord is very short. So plugging it in for the first time. All right, switching it on. So it's gonna go through its little process called Vicco Home. So first time going in this app, let me make sure I turn down so you guys can see what I see. Multiple device, yada, yada, yada. Oh, you can do live streams on here too. So get started, set up a new account. All right, so let me set this up. I'll be right back. So I went ahead and created a password real quick. So now I want to add a new device. It wants to use the Bluetooth. Oh yeah, I hear the sounds. Next step. To the network, so it wants to use the network. Here's the device. wants to use my location. All right guys, so I got this thing connected. It's a little bit of a process. You go through this, it gives you a QR code. I couldn't show all that on camera because it kept skipping a section, but finally got it. I'm gonna leave it smart home camera as the name, and I'm putting it front door, back door. We'll just say living room. Next step. Okay, so here's where it's offering service $396 a month. Oh no, it's $449 a month, or it's $47.49 a year. Try it free. How long is the free version? I'm gonna say no thanks for now. You know, they're gonna come up with ways to try to make you pay. Let's see, I gotta do an update. So I gotta do a firmware update to this thing. Anyway though, so the firmware is done. We're now up to date. So now we're up to date with the firmware. So now you gotta back out of that. So we click on to this. Okay, now everything is working. So that's the image, that's the kitchen. So it's all working now. So to move it up and down, obviously you have, you can see that there, but it's rotating. You can see it rotating right there. So you can do that, okay? And now for the motion tracking, it says when motion tracking is detected, the camera will automatically track the movement. Okay, maybe I was moving. So yeah, it's moved up. Oh yeah, it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this somewhere, and but the camera itself is pretty clear. You know, it's not a bad camera at all. But all right guys, that's gonna do it for now. I just wanted to walk you all through this and show you how this camera actually works. And it does. The feed is pretty good. And you got a two-way radio and everything that I had before. But all right guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.